Welcome back to Gratitude Inspirations. Today, we're exploring one of the most powerful practices in life, finding gratitude during hard times. When everything feels heavy, gratitude might seem impossible, but it's actually one of the strongest tools for healing, clarity, and emotional resilience. When life becomes overwhelming, our minds naturally focus on fear, stress, and uncertainty. This is a survival response, but it can also make challenges feel even heavier. Practicing gratitude gently shifts your attention. It doesn't erase the pain, but it creates space for hope. Gratitude helps you reconnect with inner strength, and it reminds you that even in difficulty, there are still things holding you up. Your breath, your body, your resilience, your support system, or even simply the ability to begin again. Before gratitude can truly help you, give yourself permission to feel what you're feeling. Hard times are real. Ignoring them doesn't make you stronger, but acknowledging them does. Say to yourself, "This is hard, but I'm still here." This acceptance opens the door for gratitude to enter naturally, without force or pressure. When life is painful, don't look for big blessings. Look for small ones. It could be a warm shower, a safe place to rest, a message from a friend, or even a moment of quiet. These small gratitudes are powerful because they ground you in the present moment. They remind you that even in hardship, pockets of light still exist. Now bring your attention inward. Think about how much you've already survived. Think about the moments that broke you but didn't destroy you. The fact that you're still here means you've been strong, even on days you didn't feel strong. Being grateful for your own resilience is one of the most transformative forms of gratitude. Hard times often reveal who truly stands with us. Take a moment to acknowledge the people who care about you. Friends, family, mentors, or even strangers who offered kindness. And if you feel like you don't have anyone right now, remember this: you have yourself. You have your breath. You have this moment. You are not as alone as you think. This is not about pretending everything is good. It's about recognizing that challenges help you grow in ways comfort never could. Ask yourself, what is this moment teaching me? Maybe it's patience, self-love, boundaries, or strength. Gratitude turns obstacles into lessons and pain into wisdom. As we come to the end of this video, place your hand on your heart. Take a deep breath. Feel your chest rise. Feel your body supporting you. Whisper to yourself, "I am grateful for this moment." I am grateful for myself. Hard times don't last forever, but the strength you build during them does. Thank you for being here. And if this message helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it today. And comment strong if you believe in yourself.